This is an interesting design of campaign shelves, but we don't see that often. I think on average we've had one set every 5 years that we've been dealing in campaign furniture. Of the other sets, most of them have been of this sort of size, but one set was much smaller. It was about half the height and half the width, and rather than simply being square, it had a cutout shaped foot to the bottom of the board. Now these shelves could either be sat on top of a campaign chest. It's 38 inches in width, so with an average campaign chest being 39 inches, that gives you half an inch each side to play with. Or you could use it as is now. It could freestand on the floor. Like all good design, simplicity is the key, and that's what we have with this set and its action in folding. So you've got a cresting rail to the top, which folds down. We've actually had to replace this, but having had ones in the past, we knew exactly the size and shape to do it. If we turn to the side, we can see that we have got hinges set to the middle on both sides, which are made of two boards, 1, 2, with a split in between. Where the top and bottom boards, top and side boards meet and bottom side boards meet, you have got a mitered joint. So if we look closely there, we can see that they fit snugly. And hopefully you can also see on the interior here, you have got hinges to the top and the bottom, linking them to the side. Very nice hinges as well, gilt brass, good square shape. So how does it dismantle? Well, it all works on removing the shelves. The shelves keep the rigidity, these shelf boards, so that the unit can't collapse on itself. And when you remove them, it collapses on its hinges. So if we take them out, we should be able to demonstrate that nice and easily. And we've got a concertina action where the sides fold in on themselves, and we pack down nice and simply, and you've got something which is far more easier to move around. Now these shelves are made of satin birch. The ones we've had in the past have typically been made of mahogany, and the shelf boards on this set have actually been replaced. They were done some time ago. Obviously the originals had either got damaged or broken at some point, and we can see that they're made of stained pine with a moulding to the front of show wood just to finish them off. And with other sets we would expect them excuse me, to be solid, made of the same timber. So there we have another great piece of campaign furniture design, and as I said before, simplicity is the key in the design, and it all works on a series of hinges. They are mid to late 19th century and made of satin birch, and you can see them on our website.